Okay, now I'm going to be demonstrating parallel parking. Okay, for this exercise, I'm going to be using observation, control, accuracy. Now, I am not going to talk about reference point, or some driving instructor they call it focal point. Reason for that, every instructor they've got own way of teaching, own reference point to use. Yeah. So I'm only going to talk about and demonstrate how to keep everything safe and under control. Okay, so let's move on and get the exercise done. So I'm going to prepare the car. Now I'm going to make sure roads are clear. So roads are clear now. So I'm going to look over left shoulder, all around check. And I'm going to just pull up on side by side. Stop here. Reverse, handbrake. I'm going to get my car ready. Look over right shoulder, all around check, over left shoulder. I'm just going to keep my car nice and slow. I'm going to stop about here now. I'm going to look around again. Nothing there. And again, as I'm moving, I'm going to do one full turn to the left. And I'm just going to stop it again. Look around. All clear. And I'm going to turn the wheel, one full turn to the right. Stop here. Look again. All clear. Another turn to the right. My car straight. I'm just going to wait for the cars coming from behind. I'm just waiting for the road to be clear. Okay, roads are clear now. I'm looking around again. Left to right, all clear. One foot into the left to get the car straight. And here I've got my driver clear, kept the driver clear. So I've got roughly about half a car length, 1.5 car length total. And stop, handbrake, neutral, and relax. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.